Alrighty, Gary, here's your 347 small block Ford. Get your description of this combination. Got a set of our As Cast heads. Got the Holley manifold. Holley Terminator X system, great. Custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil frame, Moroso. Beautiful Billet Specialties. Going to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,500, 403 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 418. Good and flat there. Peaks horsepower 430. It's rated for 425. It's got a front end up, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Got your engine build specs, down video, things of that, a lot of tech stuff. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other tech stuff. If you need anything from us, the engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That will take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this stuff. Have a great day.